Dear learner, welcome to your PRINCE2 Practitioner online course. My name is Thomas and I would like to take the chance to welcome you on the Maxpert Academy and on the other hand give you a first orientation over your PRINCE2 Practitioner course. Meaning to say we start having a look at the course structure and the course content itself. Your PRINCE2 Practitioner course consists of 13 web-based training sessions. Those sessions are covering all topics that are required to pass your PRINCE2 Practitioner exam. Meaning to say that once you have worked through these 13 sessions, you should be prepared for your live exam. All sessions end with an evaluation of your current learning progress, meaning to say you have an assessment where you're working through sample papers. And those sample papers are corresponding to the live papers, which means the question style is the same as you will find it in the live exam. So those evaluations are both an evaluation of your current learning progress and on the other hand, they prepare you for your live exam. To access your course content, you can go through two different ways. The first would be to choose the My Things to Do box on your dashboard. If you open the curriculum, you see all content that is assigned to this curriculum and can work strictly through it and see your current status in the learning progress. Another way would be to choose the library. In the library, you will find both those formal learning, which means the web-based training sessions, and on the other hand, you've got supporting training material, such as white papers that give you a deeper insight into the PRINCE2 foundation or covering specific situations where PRINCE2 is applied. Another thing is the PRINCE2 templates. Those can be used for your business as usual, for your project management practice. And so the library does not only contain the relevant information and data which is required for the exam, but also goes beyond this by providing information and, for example, templates that you can use after the exam in your business as usual. In case you've booked a course that contains exam preparation or virtual classroom sessions, you will find those in the calendar section of the Maxpert Academy. Here you'll find the different sessions and you can just select which date fits you the best and assign or sign in to those sessions. But don't forget to sign in, because if you don't sign in, you won't receive an invitation to your Outlook account. So in the worst case, the date might get lost if you are not logged into the Maxpert Academy. Another thing that may be very helpful and may be important for your learning journey is the social learning. Social learning means learning through collaboration and cooperation with other learners and with other trainers. This is an informal part of learning because you can just decide on your own what is important for you, what is useful for you, and discuss those topics. And yeah, evidence can be found that a big part, mainly a major part of your learning progress is gained through social learning. In fact, it's more than the formal learning. You've got different options in the Maxpert Academy to use social learning. The first would be to use Chat and Experts. In Chat and Experts, you can share short messages with other learners or other trainers. Those act as experts in this section. And on the other hand, you've got the communities of practice. Communities of practice are topic-specific discussion groups, if you want so, or forums, where you can come together with other learners and trainers and discuss specific topics. For example, we've got a community of practice discussing the PRINCE2 Practitioner course itself. On the other hand, we've got a discussion group that is dealing with using or applying PRINCE2 in practice. For example, if you are facing current challenges or issues in your project environment. You might want to take this situation into discussion within the communities of practice to get a different view or new ideas on how to solve those problems. So our hint would be to use the multiple functions that the Maxpert Academy is offering to get the best out of your learning journey. We wish you success and fun during your PRINCE2 Practitioner course.